Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
I am Zayan.
I am Zayn.
Where are you?
Where are you?
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada. Nice to meet you.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Take care.
Take care.
Wake up, it's time for school.
Wake up, it's time for school.
Breakfast is ready.
Breakfast is ready.
Could you pass me the salt?
Could you pass me the salt?
The TV is too loud.
The TV is too loud.
I need to clean my room.
I need to clean my room.
Please, do the dishes.
Please do the dishes.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready.
Let's go to bed early.
Let's go to bed early.
I will help with the laundry.
I will help with the laundry.
I have a meeting at 10 p.m.
I have a meeting at 10 p.m.
Could you help me with this task?
Could you help me with this task?
The report is due tomorrow.
The report is due tomorrow.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
Can you explain this again?
Can you explain this again?
I need to submit my assignment.
I need to submit my assignment.
I will finish my work soon.
I will finish my work soon.
Let's work together on this project.
Let's work together on this project.
Don't be late for the class.
Don't be late for the class.
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Can I get a discount?
Can I get a discount?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
This is too expensive.
This is too expensive.
I need a receipt, please.
I need a receipt, please.
Do you have this in another size?
Do you have this in another size?
One want to buy some groceries.
One want to buy some groceries.
Can you recommend a good brand?
Can you recommend a good brand?
The store is closing soon.
The store is closing soon.
I would like to a coffee, please.
I would like to a coffee, please.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
The food was delicious.
The food was delicious.
I'd like some water, please.
I'd like some water, please.
Can I get extra sauce?